So what is your objective? Why have you all come here for this workshop today? We will start with a small activity. I am giving you some cheats. You have to find your partner. Okay? Come on. I am going to be talking on motivation and learning. Okay, you can start. You have 2 minutes to find your partner. चिल्लाओ. ढूंढो ढूंढो. Meow meow. You have to find. Cat. Go 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 go. Come on. Go 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 go. What did you learn from this activity? कुछ सीखा? क्या सीखा? हाँ? Match the column. Yes. Yes. What else? एक धीरे धीरे से बोल रहा है, दूसरा बोल रहा है हाँ मेरा है, आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ. एक वो जो है वो बोलते हैं मैं नहीं, तुम आओ. क्या हो गया? Why? Why? What was lacking? What was lacking? Okay, we'll do something else. I want one member from 2 teams to come. Come. One member can come. Come. अभी वो रख दो, हो गया. One team or two members. Any. आप आ जाओ. Okay, I want you to raise your hand and see where it reaches. Yes.
Even I?
Yes.
Even I have to raise?
Yes. I want you to show me who can do better. Come on. हाँ yes हाँ करो हाँ देखो और कितना कर सकते हो. See what is happening? नहीं, what is she doing? She is trying to reach. Why? Come आ जाओ. What is she doing? Yes. Competing. Yes. What has that competition done to her? She is motivated to do. A little more. और ये थोड़ा ऊपर गया तो ये थोड़ा और ऊपर जाता है. हाँ. So ultimately success, learning, motivation, these are all words which are going to be going hand in hand. First I will be talking, I have divided my lecture into 2 parts. I'll be just giving you a little idea about motivation. We are a little late, so I may little brush up on that aspect of just motivation, giving little idea about theory, using it into practice, the different theories into which motivation falls, and how we can as homeopaths use this theory of motivation in practice. And the second part will be the practical, where I will give you a case which will just try and work out, and we'll be running some short exercises also in between, okay, as and how required. Now what do we understand by motivation? All of you do homeopathic drugs, we use lot of words like motivation, will, drive. What do we understand basically by motivation? Come on, how would you define motivation?
To do something.
Yes, a push to do something. Yes, very good.
Inspiration to go further.
Inspiration to go further. Yes.
Do more and more better.
Do more and more better. Yes. What else? Drive to progress. Yes.
Get some result.
Yes. Very good. Go ahead. Desire to move ahead. Desire to achieve. Yes. Inspiration to do much better. Striving for more.
Boost up the knowledge.
Pardon?
Boost up the knowledge.
Boost up the knowledge. Yes.
It's more inclination, like giving a inner drive to push.
Okay. Now what have all of us talked? Come on. Sum up. We have all talked some common things. What do they relate to? First, because homeopathy involves analysis, evaluation, synthesis. Now we synthesize what we have talked. Come on. It's a desire to move ahead. One thing which has come in common. What is the second thing which has come in common? Come on, talk. It is task oriented. Yes, it is task oriented. What else? Come on, you all have all talked. I know very less. You know much more than what I know. So let us learn from you. Come on. Yes, what else? What else? Task oriented है, progress के लिए है, और किसके लिए है? Yes, madam.
Do better than that.
Do better. Yes.
Do the best.
Something more. Innovation, growth. Come on.
Achieving more.
What else? What other things? हम लोग ने काफी कुछ पॉइंट्स बोले हैं.
Progress ahead.
Okay. Yes, what else? Think. Put yourself. Desire to. Yes. Okay, I'll give a little 2 or 3 slides. Then I think we can again talk about this, because you will understand what I am trying to get from you. Go ahead. Because it's all about me getting things out of you. Go. go ahead. Okay, now we come to the definition of motivation. I think we forgot one thing, that motivation, there are so many factors which motivate from within and without. Both are equally important. बराबर है? Why it is important? Intrinsic as well as extrinsic. Why? So basically it is a locus of causality. What do you mean by that? कि कुछ करने के लिए आपको वो जरूरी है. So आपका जो थॉट फीलिंग है उसको एक्शन बिहेवियर में डालने के लिए द लोकस विच यू रिक्वायर is that motivation which will push you to a particular behavior. Are we clear? And that motivation can come from within and without. वो आपके घर पे भाई बहन रह गए, वो देखते छोटे हैं तो आपको मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं कि चलो भाई पढ़ो 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 पढ़ो, या then as we little grow ahead we see our friends and then we become competitive. It is initially the parents who are competitive because the neighbor's son is doing well. Now you feel that your neighbor is doing well, that is why you feel the need and you get motivated. See, वो drive has to come. Something has to motivate, something has to take you ahead. Okay, so this is what we mean by motivation. Go to the next slide. Now whatever we do, it is going to involve performance. Ultimately, as you rightly said, we are performing, and that to achieve something, task oriented thing, what is important is motivation. We are trying to see why it is important. We said behavior will not occur unless you have something to motivate you. It can motivate you for progress, that is how we see it positively. But there are patients who look at it, who come to us and who look at it the other way. They are motivated to commit even suicide. What is driving? What is motivating? Right? Each factor will decide the direction of behavior. Okay, motivation will decide the direction of behavior. Now a common thing which we associate is relationship of motivation and emotions. Emotions come first, motivation come first. What will come first? Yes?
Emotion.
Yes, why emotion will come first?
It is there.
Okay, what came first, the egg or the chick? See, when you talk of unless you are adequately motivated to be happy, can you be happy? Emotion will come before motivation or without motivation? Huh? There are no watertight compartments. Never misunderstand कि ये पहला आएगा. In a dynamic situation, it is very difficult to put it on a timeline. This. There is always going to be a locus of causality which will produce a particular thought feeling, which will produce a particular action behavior, or there may be a thought feeling which has come which will produce a causality to produce a certain behavior. A situation, exam आया, fear आया है, fear has come, that has motivated you to do better or to try and see that you are completing your notes in time so that your behavior is performance is improving. Are you getting? So ultimately you have to place in your patients where is the locus of causality in that particular case. I will put it other way around. Emotions will occur only and only to external stimuli. Okay, are we clear? जो भी हम परसीव करते हैं उसके हिसाब से हम रिएक्ट करते हैं. हमारे इमोशंस हमने जो परसीव किया उसके हिसाब से आते हैं. फैमिली में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो वन में जैसे चिलिट यार सबके घर में होता है, दूसरा बोलते मेरे ही घर में क्यों हो गया. परसेप्शन टू अ सिचुएशन, इमोशन हैज कम. ओके, देन देयर मे बी अ सिचुएशन, इमोशंस कैन, ओके आई विल ट्राई टू पुट इट इन अ डिफरेंट वे. इमोशंस कैन बी मॉडिफाइड. लाइक अभी ये देखे, इनको देखे जरा, लुक एट एवरीवन, लुक एट हिम. व्हाट डू यू सी ऑन हिज फेस? He is concentrating, he is having a frown on his face. Now emotions can be changed.